Welcome to this exploration of Karma Yoga, inspired by the profound teachings of Swami Vivekananda. In this video, we will delve into the essence of Karma Yoga, the path of selfless action, and how it can bring peace and purpose to our lives. Hello everyone, I am Manish Brahm, and today we'll explore Karma Yoga, a vital aspect of spiritual practice as taught by Swami Vivekananda. Karma Yoga is all about performing our duties without attachment to the results. It is a journey of selfless action where the focus is on the process, not the outcome. Swami Vivekananda defined Karma Yoga as the discipline of selfless action. He emphasized that true liberation comes from performing actions without any desire for personal gain. He said, work is worship. It is the manifestation of the divine within us. In Karma Yoga, the act of serving others is seen as a spiritual practice. It is not just about the physical work we do, but the intention behind it. When we act selflessly without expecting anything in return, we align ourselves with the greater good and experience inner peace. Detachment is a core principle of Karma Yoga. It means performing our duties without attachment to the outcomes. Swami Vivekananda taught that we should not let the success or failure of our actions affect our inner peace. By practicing detachment, we free ourselves from the bondage of expectations. Think of it like planting a seed. You nurture it, water it, and care for it. But you don't stress over when it will sprout. You trust the process and let nature take its course. Similarly, in life, we do our best in every situation and leave the rest to the universe. Karma Yoga can be practiced in everyday life, whether at work, home, or in the community. Approach each task with a sense of duty and love. Let go of the desire for recognition or reward. This mindset brings a sense of fulfillment and joy, regardless of the external outcomes. For example, if you are working on a project, focus on doing your best rather than worrying about the results. This does not mean you don't care about success, but you are not attached to it. You find satisfaction in the effort itself. Swami Vivekananda acknowledged that practicing Karma Yoga is always easy. Challenges and obstacles are part of life. However, he taught us to view these challenges as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Instead of getting discouraged, see each challenge as a stepping stone. Remember, it's not about what happens to us, but how we respond. By maintaining a calm and detached mindset, we can navigate life's ups and downs with grace. The ultimate goal of Karma Yoga is self realization and spiritual enlightenment. It's about understanding our true nature and our connection with the divine. Through selfless actions, we purify our hearts and minds, paving the way for spiritual growth. As Swami Vivekananda beautifully expressed, the more we come out and do good to others, the more our hearts will be purified and God will be in them. By living the principles of Karma Yoga, we not only uplift ourselves but also contribute to the well being of all. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Karma Yoga. Let's embrace the teaching of Swami Vivekananda and apply them in our daily lives. Remember, it's not only what we do, but how we do it. Let our actions be a reflection of love, compassion, and selflessness. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on spiritual teachings and personal growth. Let's continue to explore the wisdom of great masters together. Until next time, stay inspired and stay blessed.